I'm going to take another quick video. Yeah, if you're ever getting that clunking noise under your car, it's not just the exhaust. Let me see if I can get it. That's the noise you're hearing. You can replace your carrier bearing with a 2-piece instead of replacing your whole drive shaft. You can buy them on Amazon for like 30-40 bucks. eBay. I'll post a link for that, but yeah, I can change mine out if it gets any worse. It's not that bad. Now I'll get some vibration noises, but yeah, if I change it out, I'll make another video.